Today, we're gonna draw something super fun. It's Chilli and Bingo in the bathroom brushing their teeth. So, let's get started. First, we'll start by drawing the tap on the basin. Now let's draw Chilli. She's standing on the left side of the sink. I am drawing her eyes, mouth, and nose. Now, I am adding Chilli's big ears. Next, we will draw Bingo on the right side. I am drawing her eyes, nose, mouth, her body, and her ears. Bingo is holding the toothpaste in one paw and her toothbrush in the other. Friends, just like Bingo, you should also brush your teeth twice a day. Now, we will complete the basin with 2 taps and another brush and a brush holder. We will draw a big door and walls. On the other side, I am drawing the shower space with some shower bars. Now we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. Let's color Chilli first. She has brown and tan fur with dark brown ears and a kind face. She has orange and cream fur. Bingo looks a lot like her mother. Now, we will color the toothbrush green and toothpaste green, red, and blue. Let's color the other brush pink and cup blue. Now, I will color the taps gray and sink blue. Color the shower bars dark blue. Now we will color their background light brown. video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.